Let us see why your energy drops when you are working at desk and how metabolism plays a role in this. See, imagine it is 3 p.m. Your brain is foggy, your eyelids are heavy, and you are reaching for your third cup of. Sounds familiar? But why this happens? You had a decent breakfast, maybe even a lunch. So, what is really causing this afternoon energy crash? The answer lies in your metabolism and how it functions differently when you are sitting for long hours. In this video, I'm going to uncover what slows down your body's engine at work and how your desk habits are silently draining your energy, and what you can do nutritionally and naturally to stay sharp from morning to evening. So let us see what is metabolism first. Think of metabolism like a fire in your body. It burns calories and turns food into energy. Even when you are sitting, your body is doing some basic functions like breathing, circulating blood, thinking. The baseline energy use is called your basal metabolic rate or BM. But here is the thing, the less you move, the slower that fire burns. So sitting for long periods lowers your calorie burn, affects your blood sugar, and makes you feel sluggish, even if you are not hungry. So why your energy drops at your desk? There are a few reasons. One is muscle inactivity. Your large muscles like legs, glutes go into sleep mode. No movement is equal to less fuel burn. Number two is posture problems. Slouching reduces oxygen intake. Less oxygen is equal to less energy for your brain. Three is blood sugar roller coaster. Eating high carb snacks without protein leads to sugar spikes and crashes. And guess what? Many people call this crash as mental fatigue, but it is actually a metabolic slump. Even research has backed it up. According to American Journal of Preventive Medicine, people who sit more than 6 hours a day have a 20% lower metabolic rate than those who sit less. And that does not just mean more fat storage, it affects how alert and productive you feel too. So, how you can re energize naturally? For that, you don't need energy drinks or sugary snacks. You need smart fueling. I'll tell you how to fire up your metabolism at work. 1. Eat small balanced meals. Pair complex carbohydrates with protein and healthy fats. 2. Stay hydrated. Even mild hydration slows metabolism by 2 to 3%. Take mini movement breaks. Even 2 minutes of walking or stretching every hour makes a difference. So, apart from these three, you can include metabolic boosting foods like green tea, cinnamon, flax seeds, methi seeds soaked overnight, chia seeds, And don't skip protein like paneer, dal, tofu, nuts. They all keep your energy stable. So, what are your easy wins today? And I'll give you an action list to keep your energy high throughout the day. Number one, routine first at breakfast. Don't just take chai and toast. Add protein like curd, boiled chana, tofu to move every hour. Set a timer or use a standing desk for 15 minutes. Number three, sip smart. Replace 1 cup of coffee with infused water or herbal tea. Try this for 3 days and tell me in comments how you feel. Your energy doesn't have to crash just because your job is sedentary. Your metabolism wants to help you, but you've got to support it. If you found today's tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Coming up next for you, the foods your sitting body actually needs to stay cool, fit, and focused. Let's keep moving from stillness to smart wellness together.